how to update Botim app to latest version. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily update your Botim app. So let's dive right in. You will need to head over to App Store and then in the search bar search for Botim and hit search. Now you can see there is open option available beside bottom, whereas under it there is TikTok and there is update option available. So when there is update option available, that means the app needs update. Whereas in bottom there is no update option available, so that means the app is already updated to the latest version. If you see update, then you can tap on update and the app will be updated to the latest version. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.